Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have a sequence. Now import your music and get it on the timeline. Drag the audio into the project panel or use File Import, then drop it onto an audio track under your video. Once placed, scrub the timeline to find the right start point and use the razor tool or trim handles to cut the clip. Make sure the project sample rate matches the audio. This avoids warping. As you work, set the audio track height larger to see waveforms for precise edits. Once the clip is trimmed, focus on balance. Lower music clip gain so dialogue sits above it. You can set clip gain in the timeline or the audio clip mixer. Start around -6 decibels and listen. To automate, tag tracks in essential sound, mark music as music and dialogue as dialogue, then enable auto ducking. Premiere will reduce music during speech. If you prefer precision, add volume keyframes and drag them to manually duck under spoken parts. Make sure to preview at listening level for final adjustments. To finish, open the audio track mixer and apply subtle EQ and compression to the music so it sits naturally. Avoid heavy bass or clipping. Once satisfied, solo and play the full timeline, then export using media export settings with correct sample rate and bit depth to preserve quality. If you hear crackling or out-of-sync audio, make sure sequence and clip sample rates match. Try render audio or conform the file in project settings. That fix resolves most playback and quality issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.